Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Katashi and welcome. We're almost at 1K subscribers. Can you believe that, guys? Yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a yeast dough pizza on the stovetop. You heard me right? Yeast dough pizza on the stovetop. It can be done. And guess what? It's going to be a oxtail pizza. So let's jump right into the video. So guys, first thing we're going to want to make sure we have is a little bit of like a cup of warm water, not really hot where it's going to burn you or anything, but just warm enough to get the yeast activated. So we have like a cup of warm water already in this bowl, and I'm also going to be putting in a bit of honey, not a lot, probably half a teaspoon or something like that. Then I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of yeast. There you go. We're just gonna mix that in and leave it somewhere warm to proof for about 15 minutes. So here I got my oxtails already seasoned. I want it to be very flavorful, so I kind of did it from the day before. If you haven't or don't know how to season and cook oxtail, I have a video that's already on my channel if you don't mind watching that, but I'll link all the ingredients down in the description as usual. These are my seasonings, and we're going to go ahead and get this party started. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my oxtails to my pressure cooker, because who has 2 hours to be sitting around waiting for oxtail to be cooking in this heat? I mean, I live in Jamaica and it's literally brutal heat, and it's not even summer yet. So here we go. So I don't know if you can see, but we've got the little bubbles going, so you know it's activated. So we're going to go ahead and add our flour to this. So I'm just going to add half teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of sugar to my flour, and we're just going to give that a quick mix or whisk. And now we're going to dump it all in there. Shape it like this. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil to the same bowl. You don't have to get a clean one or wash it out. Just pick it out, rub it like this. So now my oxtails are finished, and I'm just going to throw them out in this bowl here so it can get to cool. After it has cooled, we'll take them off the bone. So I flipped it, and I kind of want it to be a little bit buttery, like when you get the Domino's pizza in Jamaica. It always has this buttery flavor to it. So I'm going to rub some butter on it like this. I mean, you don't have to do this step if you don't want to. So over here I have my mozzarella cheese. I have some Parmesan cheese. It's out of the camera, but it's over there. And I found out that I like using marinara sauce instead of pizza sauce. I don't know, but it tastes better to me. You don't have to try it. You can use regular pizza sauce, but this, yeah, it makes the pizza taste so good. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead, even though this is still hot, but I'm going to remove the oxtail from the bones. Hope I don't burn up myself. So it should just fall off. It shouldn't be stuck there. So there you have it, guys, my oxtail yeast stovetop pizza. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below and let me know if you've tried it.